Filter ready. First, you're going to stick your finger in the old oil. You're going to ring up, lubricate that right here. Get it good and lubricated. Nice and liquidy. Just go around that seal right there. And what you're going to do, you can come up here to your oil where it screws in at, right there. You're just gonna screw it in. Screw, 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 screw. Hit it hand tight. Then take your wrench, put it on there, and one more nice tight turn. And bang. Oil filter is done. Just gonna get one more for just bang. Yep, we're done. Alright then. Now that you got your new filter in, you got your oil drained out, your plug tightened back in good, and you are ready to put the new oil in your vehicle.